wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect.
What's up, people? And I'm gonna be doing some bottle flipping because I'm sick at bottle flipping. Okay, you see that? You see this? I'm gonna be bottle flipping these two. Not at the same time, but you know. So we'll start off over here. Bottle flip it onto over down here. Wait, I wonder if you can see. Okay, yeah, you can see.
I am the wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect from the street.
Nothing happened. Okay, next one. You see this? Send them right on this. Okay. You ready? Send them right on it. We'll fix that in like editing. Magic of editing. Wow, that was sick. Okay. You see, it's going through here. Wait, no. It's going through here. And it's going to land on the other side. And the other side is a rose bush. So no, we won't do that. I'm just going to bottle flip it just to there. Right, to over there. Over there. Right there. That's where it's landing. Can you shut up? Okay. Stand on. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Right, it's landing. It's landing over there. It is. It just is. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I am the wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Get on my level of swag. Okay, next one. I'm just gonna bottle flip it. It's gonna land. Up there. Up there. In that little gap. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's going. It's in the road.
I am the wonder why your son.
Okay, next one. I'm going to bottle flip both of these. Right here. That one was foul. Okay, again.
I am the wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Wait, you ready? Okay, I did that. See, they both landed. Now I'm gonna cap this one, then make this one land on top of it, so it'll be like that. Okay, you ready? Wait, you gotta hold it this way. And then.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I
Jesus, that hit the floor so hard. I got skills. Okay, next one. For this, it's gonna land on this garbage bag. Okay, or not bag, thingy. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Oh, focus. 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 Okay, it's focused. Oh, what's it? Saw that. I'm gonna kick it and it will land. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, it's gonna go through here and it's gonna land up there. So it's gonna go through here, it's gonna land up here. No, it's gonna go through here, come back around. It's gonna go through here, come back around, and then right here. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! That was incredible. Okay, so if you guys couldn't tell, that was just a troll video. I was bored, so I'm like, yeah, I'll just bottle flip and make it a troll. So make sure to like, subscribe if you're new. Comment what you want me to do on my next video. And see you next time. That really didn't work. That backfired so much. And I will see you next time. Peace!